The White House is calling this the hard power budget blueprint, not a soft power one, and it's easy to see why. US defense spending will increase by $54 billion, or 9% in 2018 if implemented. Homeland security, focusing on border protection and the wall, up 7%. But huge proposed cuts to the State Department, 29%. Environment slashed by 31%. Health, 18%. And transportation, 13%. And the White House is pulling no punches.
We're absolutely reducing funding to the UN and to the various foreign aid programs, including those run by the UN and other agencies. That should come as a surprise to no one who watched the campaign.
Some funding for United Nations programs will be cut by 50%, which could hit peacekeeping operations, child and maternal health, and development assistance around the world. The UN Climate Fund is also being gutted, as is the agency that helped battle the Zika and Ebola viruses. The US Congress has the final say on the budget proposals from the White House. Opposition is strong, even from some in Donald Trump's own party, and Democrats are united in their opposition.
It throws billions of dollars at defense while ransacking America's investment in jobs, education, innovation, clean energy, and life-saving medical research. It will leave our nation weakened.
The Trump administration say they are just delivering on campaign promises. But critics of these budget proposals say the signal is to allies and adversaries alike that the US is taking a step back from the world. And while the White House is calling it a hard power budget, some people call it hard-hearted. The richest country in the world withdrawing money from some of the poorest parts of the planet. Nathan King, CGTN, Washington.